I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin got it drawn as a large rising wedge. 68% chance that this breaks out to the downside. Until you break this level, I don't see how you can be macro bullish. Here's why. Previously, you got huge bounce here, which led from 31,000 up to 65,000, right? Came back down to the same level and from 30,800 to all-time high, $69,000. So these are very strong support levels. Right here, Bitcoin flipped. See how it dipped down here? This is the weekly chart, right? So this is very significant. Higher time frame always wins. See how this comes back up and gets rejected, right? So that level didn't hold, bearish retest, and the price nuked. Bulls can't break out. Possible bearish divergence be confirmed on a breakdown. So you need 4,700, 21,500. Be the levels to watch. A good amount of support at 24,700, but in this double top idea on the miracle that you get some news, like we've got some news to talk about that can completely change the game. We've got dates that are going to give us a lot of insight, possible ETFs getting approved. Immediately, institutional money feels comfortable entering the market, at least dipping their toe in the market. And we're talking about companies that manage trillions of dollars. BlackRock funds beginning of next month, if they get a upside, bang. But do we dip first, shake out, bear trap, and then come back up? Week, you're just slowly still moving in the pattern, bouncing off the 21 weekly, right? But have to keep an eye on macro time frame. Now, short-term time frame. Before we do that, I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. If you are not making money in this market right now and you're trading spot long, not surprising. So what we're doing is killing it. We have 600 members now in the brand new leverage trading group. There's actually 4 trading groups. One, we do screen shares. We just got done with a live screen share. Follow the leader. That's why you'll notice that we have Terra 128%, 36%, 131%. Terra posted 76.22%, right? Because these are gone over in the videos, setups. You'll see a lot of the same thing with Turbo, 68%, 78%. We are nailing the bangers. And we found a way. We adapted to what the market has given us, and we're making money while everybody else is sitting on the sidelines, sitting on their hands, or just not making any money. And so you've got to be able to trade the market both ways. You got to have a bag. Build your bag while you can before this market takes off. You're going to have a halving run up. You get 50% out of that, at least 60% possible, 70%. We got 80% almost on 2016. 70% off. CryptoRev.net. If you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Combo everything, put it on a card, and it'll be 16 months. We also have a moon pick group where we're just going to midterm hold a bunch of small caps. Obviously, make a MEXC account. That's got 1,000 coins on there. It was 800, now it's 1,000. Straight off the dexes, we're going to MEXC. But the most important thing is making money in this market, and we just have to take what the market's giving us. Bitcoin starts taking off and trending, spot will pick up. This is the 4-hour chart. You've got this falling wedge. Haven't been able to break out above. You had a bearish cross of the 21 and the 50, which right here led to downside. Right here led to downside. Right here led to downside. Right at the edge of this, I mean, is this a double top? Breaks down, you're going to see downside. You don't want to hold coins blindly. It gives you an opportunity to re-enter these coins at a lower price. And if it does break higher, which I mean, it's supposed to break higher, but you got a rising broadening wedge, 68% chance it breaks the downside. And then you got this falling wedge with tiny pattern. Even if this plays out, you're only going to get up to here. Then what? That's where you've got here and you've got here. So there's going to be a ton of resistance right here. So again, very plan A, this breaks to the downside, short the market. Breaks above 31,800, going long. We're going to go to 35,000, 45,000. Very important news. All the ETFs. This one, ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF refiled. Bitwise refiled. VanEck refiled. Wisdom Tree refiled. Galaxy refiled. They all refiled, right? And so the key is they did so with Coinbase selected to monitor where the Bitcoin's coming from so that you don't have, on the 13th, in 2 days, you got the second deadline for ARK, right, where they constantly will delay these out. Even saw the SEC head chair, Gensler, he said, well, we're put crypto on hold right now. We're going to look at these AI. AI is a concern right now. We're going to put crypto on hold. All Matic is security. Anyways, a whole list of them. We're going to watch 813, how this works out, but really important. BlackRock, $10 trillion worth of assets under management. This happens. They've only been denied one time out of 576 ETFs, right? So if this gets approved, and it can get delayed. One of these gets approved, and you'll see a huge price spike in the price of Bitcoin. You look at the 1st of next month, at about 2 weeks, a few days left. 9/2, 9/1, 9/2, 9/2, 9/2. All these deadlines coming up 1st of next month. Really going to see, and again, October lined up. This could be a make or break moment for Bitcoin as far as how it's going to enter the halving. Up and enter is going to pull back. We're just trying to figure out exactly what's Bitcoin going to do between now and May 1st, roughly. Breakout of this level, really tough. I mean, remember, really strong support, really strong double bottom support. And then it flipped as resistance and got rejected. It's hard to be macro bullish until the price action breaks this level. Hard to be macro bullish. This is why I'm telling you guys the leverage trading group place to be, because this market breaks lower, you'll make a killing. The institutional investment from these ETF bring a lot of new momentum into crypto, right? So financial institutions are becoming increasingly interested in crypto, right? So you got speculation of a bull run. A lot of people in retail, they're not even talking about Bitcoin. They're not even interested in it. I had 3 people follow me through Walmart today asking I'm at. They don't understand in a smaller town what Bitcoin is. It's amazing how early we are. Fidelity, BlackRock, this is causing a paradigm shift in how digital assets are perceived by financial incumbents. Get the big power players, Fidelity, BlackRock, offering Bitcoin, a huge customer base. What would that do very quickly? You guys see, pull up a lot of your money transfer apps. PayPal has Bitcoin and crypto. Venmo that has crypto as well. Quite a few others. And so slowly, and this has been happening all the time, but it's government uncertainty, lack of regulation, and lack of infrastructure. All these major fund managers are filing multiple spot ETFs and shooting up. People are going to FOMO into Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to take off, right? But halving is coming, so that's another catalyst. Like, they're all about to happen. The next year and a half, we are going to make life-changing money, period. Gemini Glitch propels XRP to $50, causes widespread confusion. Widespread confusion. $50 XRP. Sell. There it is right here, $50. The main thing is these glitches happen from time to time on exchanges. XRP's daily and hourly performance, they're in the green, but it's down 4%. This XRP pump was nice after the positive news that came out declaring that XRP is not security. However, now the SEC wants Second Circuit to overrule Ripple XRP decision. So Torres, the judge, she agreed with the SEC that Ripple's $728 million worth of institutional sales of XRP were, it was an unregistered security. However, Torres denied the SEC allegation that Ripple's $1.3 billion of programmatic sales of XRP. The SEC wants to appeal these two denials, citing controlling questions of law on which substantial ground for differences. That's really where it's at. It's like, how do you interpret the law that exists from the Howey test, 1940s, and how does it apply now? Clearly, this is all going to be cleared up when the United States comes in and says, here's the foundation, here's the infrastructure, here's how it's going to be regulated. CFTC, I think, comes in and pulls most of these securities into commodities. You see 70% of cryptos easily traded in the United States, right? So again, we want to see XRP, Ripple win this case because it will unleash massive all of money coming into crypto. Because in the United States, everybody's on the sidelines sitting and waiting, watching for all the regulations to be put down. A lot of people think it's going to be a little bit tough or too tough, and potentially see a market drop based on that idea. But long term, that's where you get all the big players into crypto, right? That's where you get, ETFs start getting approved, banks start carrying crypto on their balance sheets, and there's everything changes over the course of the next 6-12 months in crypto. Looking for a massive bull rally after the halving. However, do we dip first? And if so, are we going to capitalize on it? Going to short market? Here, running out of room. I mean, you got a rising wedge, 8% chance this pattern breaks lower. If you do break lower, how much lower do you go, right? A break higher would be unbelievable. I think it would take some news. That would be your signal to go long. And so it's really important to pay attention to. Market has been slowly dragging lower, which hasn't been amazing. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.